Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. Today I got a tool for you that is going to help you out, especially for those guys that are doing a lot of oil changes. And what this is to form a funnel. So this funnel is designed to work with oil changes for changing the filters. It comes with a flexible core, so you can mold this funnel into any shape you want to. And especially useful when you're changing oil and you don't want that oil draining down onto like a subframe right here where it drains inside the holes, and then when you drive it leaks out. Then your customer will call you back and say, hey, the car is leaking oil after you change the oil. So where this is designed is to avoid that. So you mold it into the shape that best fits it, unscrew your oil filter and let it drain into the funnel, and then direct it to where you want it to go. So this is going to avoid those oil leak comebacks and also help prevent cleaning all those frames and stuff to get the oil out. Speaking of cleaning, to clean this after you're done is just a simple wipe off. And it's ready for its next use. I will leave links for this tool down in the description of the video. That way, if you're interested in picking it up, you can find those links there. I'm Brian Essler from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.